Nice! What? Ang galing ni Mariel. What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So finally, magre-react tayo sa Jamiel, okay? Ito yung Ikaw Lamang. Jamiel as Jano Gibbs and Jaya. So this was their most recent performance in Your Face Sounds Familiar. So ang kulit ng Jamiel talaga. Kaya parang minsan nagigilty ako kapag hindi ako nagre-react kasi 'di ba, todo suporta yung Jamiel fans regardless if may upload ako o wala, no? Talagang sinusuportaan nila ako. Anyway, so with no further ado, let's jump right into the video and make sure nakasubscribe kayo dito sa YouTube channel ko. Follow me on Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. Okay? Let's go! Yung mukha ni JM talagang ano eh, mala Jano Gibbs talaga yung mata. Kuwang-kuwa yung hagod ng isang bituin. Tanging pangarap sa Diyos ay hindi makapiling sa bawat sandali. Yung vibrato talaga, no? Nice. Nice. Impressive. Ang galing. Ikaw ang pag-asang tanglaw sa dilim. Ang linis ng transition. Ang galing. Langit ang buhay sa hinintay hapon. Ang ligaya sa tuwing ika'y mawastar sa piling mo. Ang hilara, kuhang-kuha. Ikaw ang pangarap. Lumabas yung JM na. Nice! What? Ang galing ni Mariel. What? Ikaw lamang, ikaw lamang. Ang galing. Ang galing. What? Okay. That was really impressive. Okay, I have to say that kuhang-kuha ni JM tsaka ni Mariel yung style. Especially yung mga transitions ni Jaya, no, from chest to head voice, talagang ang galing. Suwabing-suwabe. No doubt, Mariel is one of a kind, no? Very versatile, as well as JM. No, ito lang yung difference siguro na narinig ko because these two are, you know, pagdating sa range, mas mataas yung range nila compared kay Jaya and Jano, no? Si Jano, I think he's a baritone and si Jaya is an alto, no? And Mariel, I believe Mariel, given her range, no? yung power niya sa boses niya. I think she is definitely soprano. But I just don't know if soprano 1 ba siya or soprano 2. Kasi if hindi ako nagkakamali, merong yung soprano 1, soprano 2 eh. And JM, alam naman natin, no, the Dimash of the Philippines, no? When you say Dimash, talagang crazy range, crazy versatility, no? Kahit ano pakanta nyo sa dalawang to, kayang-kaya nila. So I think the difference ng siguro is the tone, yung register nila. It's because Jaya and Jano really have that very thick tone, no? Talagang ikaw ang... Ganun talaga si ano eh. No? Talagang yung bass niya, yung tone niya is very rich, hindi manipis kay Jano and also kay Jaya. But the good thing is yung style, yung trademark nila when it comes to yung transition, yung delivery, yung phrasing, maririnig talaga natin. And really impressive, no? Natatawa ako, it's because you know, it's very entertaining, no? Very entertaining na, uy, kayang-kaya pala nila. And you know, it's been a while since the last time na nakita natin si Jaya and si Jano na kumanta, no? Nag-duet. So, I think it's very nostalgic in a way na makita yung Jamiel na, you know, they did a Jano and Jaya performance. So, para sa akin, pasadong-pasado. Good job sa Jamiel. Good job. So anyway, that's it. And hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.